In today's video, let's take a journey through our solar system. Join us as we embark on an educational journey to explore the celestial bodies that grace our cosmic neighborhood. Once upon a time in a celestial neighborhood. In the vast cosmic expanse, where stars twinkle like distant fairy lights and black holes throw the wildest parties, there exists a quaint little neighborhood called the solar system. It's a place where planets, moons, and asteroids gather for celestial tea parties and cosmic picnics. Let us take you on a whimsical journey through this extraordinary corner of the galaxy. At the heart of our solar system lies the mighty Sun, a blazing ball of gas and energy that sustains life on Earth. The birth of a star. Our story begins about 4.6 billion years ago when a giant molecular cloud decided it was time to redecorate. This cloud, like a cosmic Pinterest board, collected stardust, gas, and dreams. Suddenly, it collapsed under its gravitational weight, creating a fiery centerpiece. The Sun. The rest of the cloud flattened into a swirling disk, like a galactic pancake. And thus, the protoplanetary disk was born. From the rocky terrain of Mercury to the icy plains of Neptune, each planet in our solar system offers a unique glimpse into the diversity of our cosmic neighborhood. The planetary casting call. The Sun, being the diva it is, hogged most of the spotlight. But around it, a cosmic audition was underway. 9 celestial hopefuls stepped forward, each with a unique talent. The first one, Mercury. The speedster, always chasing the sun like a caffeine-fueled squirrel. The second one, Venus. The goddess of love, but with a surface hot enough to melt lead. Talk about a complicated relationship. The third one, Earth. The Buell marble, home to quirky creatures and the occasional existential crisis. The fourth one, Mars. The red planet, forever dreaming of oceans and palm trees. The fifth one, Jupiter. The giant, with a great red spot that's basically a cosmic zit. The sixth one, Saturn. The one with the bling-a-dazzling ring system that puts Beyoncé's jewelry collection shame. The seventh one, Uranus. The cosmic oddball, spinning on its side like a tipsy gymnast. The eighth one, Neptune. The moody artist, painting its atmosphere with azure hues. And then there was Pluto, the runt of the litter. The cosmic underdog. Pluto was like the kid who brings a kazoo to a symphony orchestra. It orbited the Sun in a rebellious, elongated path, refusing to conform to the planetary norms. The Great Demotion. But trouble brewed in the cosmic committee room. Astronomers discovered a whole gang of icy troublemakers beyond Neptune, the Kuiper Belt objects. Quaoar, Sedna, and Eris crashed the planetary party, and Eris even had the audacity to be larger than Pluto. It was like Pluto's worst nightmare, a bigger, shinier planet stealing its thunder. The International Astronomical Union, AU, convened an emergency meeting. Neil deGrasse Tyson, the cosmic referee, quipped, "I've driven the getaway car." The debate raged like a cosmic rap battle. Should Pluto stay or go? Finally, in 2006, the verdict was delivered: Pluto was demoted to a dwarf planet. It was like losing a seat at the cosmic high table. The aftermath. Pluto, heartbroken, joined the Kuiper Belt crew. It's like the misfit kid finding solace with other misfits. Meanwhile, the remaining 8 planets carried on, pretending nothing had changed. Earth whispered, "Don't worry, Pluto. We still love you, even if you're not officially invited to our planetary parties." And so, our solar system dances on. The sun will eventually puff up like a cosmic marshmallow, leaving behind a white dwarf. Passing stars will play cosmic bumper cars, flinging planets into interstellar space. But fear not, dear reader. The celestial comedy continues, and somewhere out there, Pluto is still twirling in its eccentric orbit, wearing its dwarf planet crown with pride. And that, my friends, is the tale of our solar system, a cosmic sitcom filled with drama, demotions, and interplanetary gossip. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, the stars are watching, and Pluto is winking back, saying, "I may be small, but I'm still a star." The end, or is it? P.S. If you ever meet Pluto, give it a hug.